Molly from Pixology. Are you looking for a quick, great gift idea for Easter or Mother's Day or Father's Day? I have the perfect answer for you that might take 15 minutes of your time, depending on how organized your photos are. Forever is our go-to solution for preserving photos and videos and important family documents, as well as making print projects. And right now, we're going to demonstrate how to make a canvas. So if you hold on, I'm going to share my screen and we are going to go to my Forever account. All right, in case you don't have a Forever account, I have a way for you to get a free 2 GB account and a $10 coupon. There's a link in the description right below this video to click on. I'm logging into a starter account. So for those of you who don't have lots of pictures in, this might be simpler to follow. So right now I'm in the library view. There's albums and tags and print projects. We're going to go right to print projects and start the canvas. I think this might be, if you're just looking to make the canvas, an easier way to start than beginning to upload pictures, which is what Forever is primarily for, is to store your photos, videos, and documents for generations to come. All right, let's click on canvases and we'll continue. I know that the design that I want, you could choose any of these. Some of them are already completed with sayings on them, but I know the design I want is on page 3, and it's this everyday collage. It holds 21 photos, and I'm choosing to create one for Easter. So I like just the simple 12 by 12 option, but they go all the way up to 36 by 24, and these are just stunning. So let's go back to the 12 by 12 and click on Start Canvas. The moment I clicked Create Canvas, I'm prompted to upload pictures from my computer because my Forever account, this one didn't have any pictures yet. So I'm going to click on Choose Files from my computer, files being the pictures. This opened up in my Pictures folder on my Mac. If you use a PC, it's your Windows File Explorer and works the same way as the Mac Finder. In my Pictures folder, I have a folder called Easter Photos. I'm going to click on it, select the first one, hold the Shift key down, click the last one, and it selects them all. And I'll click Choose. And there they go. So now it's uploading my photos. Then I'm brought to the layout screen for my everyday collage. I can actually change the name of the title. And I'll just call this Bartelt Easter Memories and update project. Okay, so now I am going to add a photo, and I'm just going to go around and drop my pictures in. So I keep clicking Add Photo. It's nice. The pictures are telling me which ones have been used already. Here, I just would like this picture to be a little more close up. If you click on a picture, you can actually enlarge it. You can rotate it if needed. You can flip it so that it's backwards, but usually that makes pictures look funny. You can move it, replace it, and there's even filters. And then if you don't want it in there, you just click remove. So I'm going to go on to the next picture, and I'm going to just keep filling these in. clearly I have a duplicate here and I'll need to replace that out, but it's as simple as that. And I'm gonna type in Easter memories and click Save Changes. It's done. All right, I'm gonna give you another example making a Canvas print out of my real Forever account. So we're logging out of that account and going into my personal Forever account. So when I log in, it takes me to my profile view, which I didn't point out before. But here's where I see a quick look at my Forever account. So now you know I have almost 21,000 pictures and a lot of memories. So I'm going to go to Print Projects, and you can see I made the Everyday Collage already here. When you go in, you'll be in the preview screen. Click on the Edit button to view your project and work on it. If I click on a picture and I want to move it, I can simply click on the Move button and switch it to where I want it to go. So you can see these two pictures just switched places. The other thing I thought I'd point out is one of the big traditions at our church is to go on this big Easter egg hunt. And I have two pictures of my kids from 2 different years. The goal of the kids was always to find the empty Easter egg, which was a symbol of Jesus rising from the dead. So those photos really mean a lot to me. And I have a picture of Alex singing in Sunday school. So these collages are more than just a hanging on the wall. They bring back the memories for us. They help celebrate traditions. And hopefully these kids of mine will take these things that we've done over the years to celebrate Easter and pass that on to their kids. All right, let's just do one more thing. I can click on the picture and I'm going to just put replace. Takes you to the library, and that's not usually very useful. You could go to albums and then you can pick pictures from any of your albums. I'm going to go to tags. Over the years, I have tagged Easter on the pictures so that I can find them quickly just for a project like this. So now I have 140 photos that I can choose from. So I've got the pictures in there just the way that I want them. I could enter text, but I just like to have a plain white border with no text on it. So I'm gonna add it to the cart. I have 3 choices: the standard canvas wrap, a thicker canvas wrap, and then a gallery wrap with black binding. Certainly would look nicer, but I'll just go with the basic option. So I've added it to the cart, and we're gonna use a coupon or promotional code. Right now, the deal code is Lucky for Leaf. And I know this because I'm gonna just click on the deals page here, and Lucky for Leaf. Today's 5 and 6, there's a sale on the streaming video plan, which I do recommend, but that's a video for another day. Tomorrow, March 18th, the sale will be 40% off design and print products. So my canvas print will be 40% off tomorrow. I do recommend that you check the deals and always look for something at least 20 or 30% off. It really makes a difference. So Lucky for Leaf, I'm going to copy this code. And right now it won't work in my cart, which I'm going back to, but I am going to add it. Control V, Lucky for Leaf. And there's the code. Tomorrow, 40% will be taken off, which 40% of 65, that would be like $25 off, something like that, which would be great. Then I also happen to be a Forever Club member, Every month I put $25 in, and that money accumulates. So I have almost $60 accumulated. I also get 5% off all of my orders when I enter the code for Club 5. So I'm going to save $3.24 right off the bat. It doesn't cost you any money to pay for the Forever Club. You just commit to putting $25 a month or more in, and the money accumulates and you can spend it at any time. I really like that. So tomorrow I'll actually go back and see the sale in effect. I just wanted to put this out there in case you would like to make a canvas print starting March 18th. It is 40% off. So you can see making a canvas print using Forever is pretty easy. If I haven't answered any questions, please put them in the comments and let us know so that we can be sure to answer this so that you can make your own canvas print. That's it for now. Thank you so much for joining and stay well. Bye-bye.